All right, I'm going to show you guys real quick one way to make a bag tag. I'm going to use these here as an example. This will kind of get you started just doing some basics. I'm going to cover how to do the text and how to extrude it the way you would probably like. If you look at these here, you'll see that it's extruded or raised along the edge, and that the text is also raised, and they're both at the same level. And this is nice because it kind of gives you an engraved look around the letters without any part of the letter sticking up above the shape itself. So to show you that here, I'm going to go ahead and start a sketch. I'm going to do this real quick just because this is a demonstration. So it's probably not the correct size, but let's say we have a rectangular shaped bag tag. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually create another rectangle around it. Now, I would spend more time trying to make this exact, but this is going to kind of be the raised part or the border that goes around, so that when I extrude it, okay, this is going to extrude everything, which I don't really want to do. I want to just do this dark region here. Let me try that again. Okay, so I'm going to extrude. Give me a second here. Not doing this correct. Okay, forgot. Got to highlight everything first, and then I'm going to unhighlight the center part, and then I'm going to extrude it after I've selected. Okay, and then so we can see here, I've extruded this way too much. I believe your constraints, I think I said 1/4, I believe. There we go. All right. And let's go back to sketch 1. And then I'm going to extrude this part up less. I'm going to extrude this up not as much. I'm going to do 1/8. So you can see here we have the outer rim extruded 1/4. We have the inner rim extruded 1/8. It is important that you do your text after you've done your extrudes. Don't do your text on your flat two-dimensional surface, but do it on this one. And I'm going to just do a quick one here. So I'm going to go ahead and place a new sketch on the inner part here. And I'm going to do text. You might want to watch the video on how to get your text to be the correct size. And I'm just going to type my first name. Okay, and then I'm going to extrude that. Highlight it first. Okay, then extrude. And 1/8 and 1/8 equal 1/4. So I'm going to extrude this 1/8 because my outer rim was 1/4, and that should make it the same as the others. Now it looks like I got a little problem here. I'm not sure. See how this is red? Invalid expression. Let me try that again. Okay, so now you can see that it is the same level as the outer part. We had 1/8, see there, and it's extruded. It might even be better for me not to extrude this quite as much. I think 1/8 sticks up quite a bit, and those could break. So you might want to adjust that. We could make this floor piece here maybe a little higher up, maybe an extra 1/16, and then make the words a 1/16. But you kind of want to avoid making these letters stick up too high, because it really doesn't work out so well. You want it sticking up just enough to where you can tell. Now, there's other things you can do besides what I did. You could have had this entire section raised, and then you could have engraved, which is removing Nelson or your text from the top going down to where it goes in. That's another option. If you look at that video that I put on this assignment, it'll show you how to do that as well. All right, hope that helped. Thanks.